Operating instructions. Factory settings. Enter 1 to unlock. Password modification. Users can enter old password plus OK plus OK plus new password plus OK to modify password. A long sound indicates success. Then users can use the new password to unlock. After entering the wrong password 3 times, the lock will alert for 10 to 15 seconds. Users can enter the correct password to deactivate the alert, or wait it to stop. Initial state. The first card which is swiped is the management card. A beep sound indicates a success. Enter user cards. Swipe the management card twice continually. After the sound and the light flashing, users could enter the user cards. A beep sound indicates a success. It is allowed to enter 1 to 19 user cards continually. Clear all user cards. Swipe the management card 3 times continually. After the sound and the light flashing, waiting for a long beep. It means all user cards deleted. Operation is not allowed during the waiting process. Factory reset. Swipe the management card 4 times continually. Waiting for a tune. It means all cards deleted. Operation is not allowed during the waiting process. USB key. Plug the USB key into the USB interface to initialize. Beep beep indicates a successful initialization. USB key is not allowed to use in the alarm state. When a low battery alert appears, connect the power supply to charge.